Hello interweb peoples! So now I have a headphone without a wire. I have more troubles with the headphone itself than the wire previously. So, and this phone is coming from a very good friend of mine who can't use it anymore. So I kinda wanna take care of it a little bit. Because normally I don't look after my gear very well. So yeah. But you probably see in a previous movie that and I'm gonna link right here, that I have a 3D printer. This is printed with a 3D printer, and I think it took this headphone holder took 26 hours and a half. And I'm gonna hang that right up my computer desk for this headphone. Normally you can hang cables here, but yeah, it's wireless. the microphone is here. So yeah, it's a really nice headphone. The Afterglow Universal Wireless Headset. The pl-9929R. It's a really nice headset. This one is a mute button. And yeah, then you have some modes where I can change the color of the mic, but I don't know what it is. Then you can attach it to a line in Xbox. You can make it that it sounds better for chat or for gaming. So, and it has some lights and it kind of fits very well. You need to place it on your head very accurately, and then it doesn't matter how big your head is because it's springy and it adapts itself. So from the moment this is correct on the top of your head, the headphone is sitting alright. You don't have any settings, it's doing it automatic. So yeah, I like this very much. And now with this holder, which I'm gonna mount right away. I don't know, I'm gonna try it with double-sided tape. Let's stick it on and hope it can hold the weight of the headphone. I'm gonna switch over to the other camera and I'll see you in a sec. I wanna have it like right here. Let's stick it to the wall. I'm gonna clean it first. Woohoo! This is perfect! I love it! USB right here. Charge cable. There is a Bitcoin. Look at that mountain it's creating. Crazy. Editing screen. Computer screen. Junk. Cameras, junk. Stepper motors. Microphone. Headphone. Where is the headphone? Where is the headphone? Sticky tape isn't good. Crap. It fell. Sticky tape sucks. I need to drill a hole. But I'm inside my living room and I don't think that's gonna work. No. I need to drill a hole. Okay guys, I'm gonna shut it off here. I see you guys in the next movie. Thank you for watching, and I have a couple more 3D prints coming. Try to guess a 3D print. This is a 3D print which needs to be cleaned yet. And the movie is coming up really soon. Bye, thank you for watching. I did put in some screws in the wall, but only this one is holding. This one is in plaster or not in concrete or stone. But I think it's strong enough. Combined with double-sided tape,